Guys, today I will be sharing how to make fish croquet. I've made this video in my other channel, but since I'm making it today, might as well share it in this channel. So this is what you'll have once you follow the directions and the ingredients that I'm going to show you today. I'm going to show you the ingredients before I slice them. So I have 4 medium-sized potato in here and 2 large potato. If you're going to use medium potato, use 8. I've got 1 head of garlic and 1 large onion, but since my onion is medium, I use 1.5. Pepper, salt according to your taste, half a cup of butter, and I'm using basa fillet. This is about 260 grams. You can use any fish fillet that you like. So first thing we're going to do is to steam the fish. So we're going to steam this for about 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I peel the potato. Then I'm going to cut this into bigger chunks. As much as possible, cut them the same size so they cook evenly at the same time. Cook the potato until they are very soft. To test if the potato is ready, use a fork. Just like this. If the fork goes in easily and the potato breaks easily, it's ready. So now using a potato masher, we're going to mash the potato. If you don't have a potato masher, you can use fork. So do this until the potato is smooth. And this is now ready. We're going to transfer this into a bowl. And this is now the fish. We're going to flake this or crumble. I don't know the exact term. So we're now ready to prepare the fish croquet. So in a pot, we're going to melt the butter. To this, I'm going to add first the garlic. I'm adding the garlic before the butter even gets hot. So this will give time for the butter to infuse the garlic. It is important not to brown the garlic. At this point, I'm going to add the finely chopped onions. Make sure that your onions are finely chopped. We're going to cook this until the onions are transparent. Now add the flaked fish. I don't know if flaked is the right term for it, but you know what I mean. Now we're going to season this with salt and pepper, but do not add a lot because we're going to adjust the taste later once we add the mashed potato. So just cook this for a little bit for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then finally we're going to add the mashed potatoes. Your heat should be medium to low heat. So mix this until it is fully combined, and then cook this for about 1 to 5 minutes. So make sure to mix this well. Now this is the time for us to season again. Add salt and pepper according to your taste. And once everything is well combined, we can take this out of the heat. Taste as well, adjust if you need more seasoning. Now let this cool down before moving on to the next step. So to shape the croquet, grab a small amount of the potato mash and then form it into a ball, then roll it lengthwise into cylindrical oval shape. So get a small amount, form it into a ball, roll it lengthwise, and then elongate it a little bit. This is not big. This is about probably the size of your ring finger. So this is how they look like. I didn't finish making it all because this makes a lot. You can also freeze the potato croquet. So we're ready to create the outer shell of the croquet. So we need 1.5 bags of panko bread, and I only use 8 eggs for this entire fish croquet, the ones in the tray. So crack in at first 4 eggs. Then keep on refilling the eggs and the breadcrumbs as you need them. So whisk the egg. Okay, first thing is we're going to dip the croquet into the egg, then into the panko bread or breadcrumbs, then back to the eggs, then to the breadcrumbs again. So we're doing double dipping. We're doing this is really important to make the shell strong, because if you only do one dip, there's a tendency of the croquet to burst when you're frying this. So again, dip in the egg and then breadcrumbs, back to the eggs, and then breadcrumbs again. So continue this until you finish up with all the croquets that you prepared. There's a lot of steps involved in making this, but they are easy steps. And if you're having a party, you can prepare this the night before. So just fry this when you need them, because this is best hot when you serve this. So now we're going to deep fry the fish croquet in medium heat. So to check, use a bamboo skewer to see if the oil is ready. Then just fry the croquet until they are golden brown. At this point, this is now ready. So drain the excess oil. Okay, then just continue frying the next batch. For the dipping sauce, we need mayonnaise and tomato sauce or ketchup. There's no exact amount for this. Normally, I just eyeball this and create this according to my taste. So slowly add the tomato sauce. Then each time you add some, you taste. Make sure to use a good quality mayonnaise as well. So this dipping sauce is now ready. And this is the finished product. This is really good. I can guarantee that You're going to love this. You can use this whenever you have a party. A good alternative for spring rolls. And this is what they look like when you cut the croquet in half. Dip it in the dipping sauce. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you do like and subscribe to my channel. I might put here and there videos of savory dishes as well. Bye!